The space is very vast. There is no beginning and no end to it. There is no east or west, gravity does not work. There is not a single chance that man wants to live. However, every year, large number of astronauts to go into space for research. So, they are very careful when going into space. There will be zero gravity as well as no oxygen. Safety for astronauts only as long as they are in space station. What happens if you die in space? Before that, let's find out what happens if someone missing in space. In fact, according to current technology, it is not easy to get lost in the gloomy darkness. This is a big challenge even for many astronauts who have undergone rigorous training. If the astronaut have to leave the space station, he is first connected to the space station with a thread made of 26 meters steel. This rope has a carrying capacity of about 500 kgs. This will help the astronaut return to the space station. If the rope breaks for any reason, the astronauts will use a device behind their spacesuit. It is SAFER, simplified Aid for EVA Rescue. EVA means Extra Vehicle Activity. This is an emergency jetpack system. It provides a control acceleration for astronaut separated from the space station. This allows him to move back and front. But if the SAFER also fails, or for any reason the astronaut loses consciousness in state of inability to operate it, the only offense that exists is then rescue mission. Starting a rescue mission with the rest of the people on the space station, but even the mission is not so easy. Because our technology has not yet developed in mission to locate and bring back missing person in space. Now, what happens if an astronaut breaks the steel rope and the jetpack system malfunctions, leaving other astronauts unable to save? As soon as that thread breaks, whatever force is working on him, he moves forward in space in the same direction. Under these circumstances, he could not create a swinging force like arms and legs due to the lack of any weather there, as he was completely weightless. He will continue to move in the same direction in which he left the space station. If the direction is towards the earth, then the earth will pull him towards him. With this, he will revolve around the earth like the moon. But not like the moon for a year, but only in the spacesuit until the oxygen runs out, that is for 6 to 8 hours. During those 8 hours, he orbits the earth and sees 5 sunrises and 5 sunsets. But if his spacesuit is damaged due to any reason, here we have to note two things. One is the position. If he is facing the sun, the 270 degrees temperature coming from the sun will burn him in minutes. Otherwise, if not in front of the sun, the temperature of minus 270 degrees Celsius will freeze his body in minutes. His body begins to burn due to radiation in space. The second is the change that takes place in the body. Our Earth climate is only 19 kilometers above from the Earth. After the climate decreases as the altitude increases, the pressure here is so high that 100 degrees Celsius is required to boil water in air, but only 35 degrees Celsius that. Such is how much pressure there is in space 100 kilometers away. You can understand how the outer atmosphere in space causes astronauts to land in minutes. The saliva in his mouth, including his sweat, also begins to fade. Bones absorb all the calcium in his body as his body runs out of oxygen. This causes the entire bones in the body to rise and break at once. Blood fluiding in the body also begins to swell. Skin color changes. This is because the human body evolved into the atmosphere of the earth. It helps our body and the fluid in the blood to stay in the liquid state. Our body is made up of about 81% water. Now that the atmospheric pressure are gone, the water in the blood evaporates. With that, our skin starts to swell. However, human skin has the ability to withstand cracking. The body uses the remaining oxygen in the body for the period of 15 seconds, doing urinate and cause things like vomiting. Because the pressure in the body forces fluid out of the pores in the body. Within minute of losing consciousness, the brain becomes dead and the heart stops. In 1 minute, the circulation in the body stops completely, and in other minute, that life itself is lost. How fast this process goes, at least we do not even have time to scream in pain. There is a possibility that something other than this could also happen. That is, when the astronaut separated from the space station, if he moving towards Earth with the right velocity and the right speed, he can reach the Earth atmosphere, but he will never reach the Earth because the gravitational force of the Earth pulls him towards it as it enters the Earth atmosphere. The speed at which he distances due to this force of gravity is such that his body burns in the middle due to friction between the atmosphere and his body. For this reason, asteroids falling from space fall to Earth on fire. A similar incident took place in 1967. The Soviet spacecraft failed to make a proper landing during landing and crashed to the ground. Another incident that happened before this is Achille and Giovanni were Italian brothers. They used to operate radios in November 1963. They captured a very wide signal. It was coming directly from space. When they decoded the signal, they were shocked to hear that it was the voice of female. She was scared in pain and asking for help. This is a signal. Some people believe that she successfully went to space, but when she was coming back to Earth, some technical problems occurred. Her capsule catched fire and she died. So far, 550 people have gone into space. Not a single astronaut has ever been lost in space due to the technical we have achieved. But due to an unforeseen event in space, due to technical problem, it crashed when it returned to Earth. Up to 18 people lost their lives. We hope that this does not happen in the future. Until 2016, only the United States and Russia made space suits. But since 2016, India has also become the third country in the list to make space suits. The United States and Russia each spends $1.2 crore on the production of space suits, means 78 crore rupees in Indian currency. But India made $13,000 to $14,000, means 10 lakh rupees in Indian currency worth of space suits for the same quality for only. So friends, I hope you like this. If you like this video, click the like button and share it to your friends. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.